Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through common maintenance for the Mova P50 Pro Ultra. If you're interested in the P50 or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. First things first, let's take a look at the top of our vacuum here. You'll want to check this silver crevice every once in a while for any obstructions to make sure there's no crumbs or debris that's affecting the movement and motion of the bumper. Then we can open up the top cover to reveal the dustbin, where we actually have our care and maintenance instructions provided for you with this nice graphic at the top, walking us through everything that we're able to do with this filter and dustbin. So you can go ahead, you can swap these filters as needed. You can give them a little tap here or there to get some of the fine dirt and dust out. Rinse them off. You can also rinse off the inside of the dustbin. The key with this though is to make sure that you give it plenty of time to dry. At least in a full day would be ideal to make sure everything's nice and dry. This flap opens out too if you ever need to open that up for any additional cleaning, but you can basically rinse everything out, which is great, and then you can replace these filters as needed for the dustbin. Periodically check in here too for any debris that might start to accumulate or settle at the bottom. Looking at it from the side, wipe down sensors is needed. This little guy opens outward as well too, so you could reach in there and clean and wipe down. More sensors here on the back with your charging contacts. And then another sensor right here on the side. Speaking of sensors at the bottom, multiple sensors to wipe down and keep an eye on. Here is our side brush. You can always cut away any tangles. Phillips head screw to replace. Main brush roller. Take a look here. Easily replaceable, and you can cut away and detangle anything that isn't cut away or detangled with the brush roller itself. And wipe down in there. And the cover just snaps right back on. And then lastly, the mop pads are removable. And then they're microfiber, so easy to replace. Every once in a while, if you want to give them a deeper clean, you can always take them both off and throw them in your wash. But very simple and straightforward to take care of the P50 Pro Ultra.